So let's now review our quiz 11, lecture quiz 11. Let's zoom in on that first question. Again, make sure you're showing your work so you get full credit for these quizzes. Question 1, we're asked to simplify the complex rational expression. So the key in answering a question like this is to first see if you can simplify the numerator into one fraction. And then lucky for us, the denominator is already under one fraction or in one fraction. So how do we put it into one fraction? We want a common denominator. So our LCD, our least common denominator here, is just the product of x and x minus 1, which means we're going to multiply that first fraction by x over x and the second one by x minus 1 over x minus 1. And when we do that, we can all put it under x minus 1, and we get x minus, and then don't forget to distribute that negative to both terms. So minus x and then plus 1. All over 1 over x squared minus x. We can pull out an x from each of those terms, and you'll notice that it's just going to become x minus 1 as well, which is helpful. Why is it helpful? Well, we know that these denominators are exactly the same, which means if you keep change, flip it, it will cancel out. But let's simplify the numerator first. So we get x minus x, which is just 0 plus 1. So we have 1 over x minus 1, all divided by 1 over x minus 1. Just ends up giving you 1, right? As your answer, the same value divided by the same exact value. So answer choice A. Right. Let's go ahead and move on to question 2, where we're asked to perform the indicated operation and simplify. So our LCD here is just the product of c minus 2 and c plus 3. I'm going to rewrite this expression. And I'm going to multiply that first fraction by c plus 3 over c plus 3, and the second fraction by c minus 2 over c minus 2. That way the denominator is now common. And now let's utilize some distributive property. 2 times c is 2c, 2 times 3 is 6, 9 times c is 9c, and 9 times 2 is negative 18. Combine some like terms, and we have 11c minus 12 all over c minus 2c plus 3. And this cannot be simplified further. So this is simplest form. Right. So that finishes up our second question and our quiz 11. Hope this was helpful. I will see you guys next time.